Hey guys, this video is very important. So today this is what we're gonna do. Since we had a whole bunch of rain, we had a bunch of weeds grow up, right? So what we have over here is pumpkins, and we had like a few rows got washed out and stuff like that. So we're gonna continue healing around and also weeding out everything by using a hoe. So we try to walk around with the garden, and then we just go through and hoe everything out. I'm about to make a before and after video, and you about to see. And the reason why we do this is because like we don't want all the weeds to take all the nutrients out of the soil. So that's one reason why we do this, man. I'm gonna keep dropping this information, guys. Hold on, y'all. Hey guys, I forgot, man. I actually planted a lot of this stuff 8 feet apart with each other, from each other. So I used the tractor. I was starting to use the hoe, and I was like, wait a minute, I planted these things far apart from each other. So, you know, I planted them like 8 feet apart from each other. As you can see, I cleaned up everything a little bit. As you can see, some of these right here, like they trellising out. I still got to go back around them. As you can see back there, those is the peppers in the back row. And we still have, you know, I'm gonna just take y'all in a little bit more closer. Let's go, y'all. So it's up a little better. So now we just gonna go through now and just clean up everything around it with the hoe. And the reason why we started, because we had some volunteer cucumbers growing, and I don't want them to cross-pollinate, and they was all in here in this bed. Look at the dog. You know, this one I can just grab with my hand, you know, kind of shake it off. Toss it over there. But yeah, as you can see, these are taking off. I had some guests came out and camped, and they helped me plant these, and these doing very well. You know, they kind of growing into where the peppers at. As you can see, the peppers right there, looking good. Yeah, got some helpers around. Yeah, looking a little better. Like these right here, you see these looking bad. You can just go ahead and rip those apart. You know, they got some fungus on it. You just want to throw it away from the garden too. Throw it away. And don't put it in your compost. So what we doing, y'all, we are training these things to grow towards the sun. As you can see, it's probably more sun towards the sky this way. So we going through the row and training everything to go that way, where we can get as much as sunlight that we can. So y'all just continue watching these videos and updates all the way up to harvest. I appreciate y'all. One love, one love, one love.